Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to back up data on Android. Now, whether you're switching phones, factory resetting, or just want peace of mind, backing up your photos, contact apps, and settings is a must. So let's get started. Now, your Android phone lets you back up a wide range of data, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, app data, Wi-Fi, passwords, and device settings. The most popular method is using Google's backup service, but manufacturers also have their own solutions. Now, number one, using Google Backup, how it works on all Android phones. How do you do that? Just go ahead and open up settings, and from the settings options, just scroll down to Google. So once you find Google, so the options are opening up. Now it says backup is on. Now go ahead and select backup. So you can just go ahead and click on manage backup, and also click on manage backup. Just toggle on the toggle that is next to backup by Google One. All right, so toggle that on. If it's not already on, just toggle it on. Then tap backup now button. Just tap it to start an immediate backup. You can see the last backup date and what's been backed up, like apps, call history, contacts, device settings, and SMS backup details. These are it. So you can also check this. You can toggle this that says backup using mobile or Meta Wi-Fi data. Charges may apply. So you can toggle that if you want it to be done automatically. Now, Google Backup automatically syncs your important data to your Google account. It's super handy for restoring or switching devices. Now, the second method is for Samsung Cloud Backup for Samsung Galaxy phones. Open settings, tap accounts and backup, tap Samsung Cloud, select backup data. Choose the data types you want to backup, like contacts, calendar, messages, and photos. Then tap backup now. Samsung Cloud gives Galaxy users an easy way to keep everything synced to Samsung secure servers. And that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.